Okay, so let's talk about monochromatic gradients, ombres. Kind of just depends on who you're reading, what they call it. It's all the same thing. Go from dark to light or light to dark in one color. You may also use a neutral like a white or an off-white or a black or a gray, to do the quilt pattern. But I get asked a lot about why does my quilt not have that gradient like the original. So when you pull your fabrics, it's good to double check. And they have all kinds of products on the market that you can use, but you don't need anything. You have what you need in your cell phone. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to take our fabric, and I pulled some greens. I could have pulled a lot more. I didn't realize until I went to do this video that I'm such a green fan. But I have a group of greens here, and I'm going to arrange them how I see them, going from dark to light. Moda grunge. Some ombre scrolls from QT. Love that fabric line. So there we go. Now I'm going to head over to the camera app on my phone and show you what I do. So I'm in my camera and I'm zoomed in, so I just get the fabric and I take a picture. And then on an iPhone, all I need to do is tap the picture in the corner to bring up my editing. And I'm just going to tell it to edit. And then it's the 3 circles down at the bottom that will allow me to choose. And I'm just going to scroll until I get to the mono. And then here I can look to see what the tones of my fabric are and what fabrics I would need to replace or add to finish my gradient. Okay, so based on that photo, it tells me that I should rearrange this to here. And it told me I don't have enough fabric here. So I went from dark. I needed a lighter dark to go here. But that's all I do is I take pictures, turn them into black and whites, see what the picture sees as far as tone, strip all the color out. And then I can go, ooh, I need something here, or I need something here, or this one doesn't work, or I have too many mediums and not enough lights. And it takes our eyes out of the equation because the camera's stripping it straight to black and white. I hope that helps you sort your fabrics to make your pre-cut stacks in the course. I also hope it helps you understand how to pull fabric for a monochromatic gradient quilt pattern. If you have any questions, please ask. I'm so glad you guys are doing this course with me, and I will see you next week. Bye, everyone.